to turn on this Xbox, all you have to need just tap and press this X button for 3 to 5 seconds. And as you can see, it's turned on. And to connect your Xbox with any device, you have to enable this Wi-Fi connection or Bluetooth connection. So tap and hold this button for 3 or 4 seconds. And as you can see, these lights is and now I'm going to my phone device, and so I'm going to connect my Xbox with my iPhone. So going to my settings and going to Bluetooth section, and here we can see the Xbox wireless controller. So tap on that, tap on pair, and here we can see it's successfully connected. And now you can easily open any game, and you can control your game using your Xbox. And to disconnect with your device, again press this button. And now to turn off your Xbox, press and hold this button. And that's it.